Thanks for tuning in. It's Lela from MzLelaPinkJourney sharing with you how I use the 5x5 Mighty Hoop to place a logo on a blue jean jacket. I just grabbed the stabilizer I had at hand. It's something I got from All Stitch. Once I add the jacket to the hoop station, here I can see where it's just about a straight line. By the time I put the top hoop on, I'm going to lay them right on the side of this, of course. Once I put the top hoop on, then I'll make sure it's straight. And I know that I want to be able to stitch somewhere within this area. I will check to make sure I have enough room when I'm ready to stitch the design. But this is how I actually lay it onto the hooping station here. I want to make sure it's lined up correctly. It is straight across here and there. Right, the arms are there. I got space right across here. And then there's space there, here, and there. If the bottom is all the way down here, so I'm going to put it down just a little bit, and that'll help me to get my bearing on if this is straight or not. It's pretty straight. When I get ready to hoop, I would like to be able to stitch further down here. I will grab the top of the hoop, lay it on there. These little 3 notches go right in here. And okay, it's all hoops and it's laying on the embroidery table on the machine. There's the logo I'm going to stitch onto the jacket. I am going to click on the camera function there and take a look to see how it looks. I'll scan it as well. You have to click out of the camera function in order to scan it. If scanning the item now, this helps me to see how much space I have to work with. Over in the corner there, I can see where I'm almost going to hit, well, I will hit the stitches if I leave it this way, but I'm going to move it around. You can see from the camera that it's showing the stitches there on the jacket right above by the collar. I don't want to hit that. Although it wouldn't hurt, it'll stitch right over it, but I don't want to stitch over it. I want to go down a little bit. So let me move down some. So I was moving just off of that stitch line on the jacket. It's now off the stitch line, bring it down a little bit more. And let me hit this camera function button again just to see what it looks like down below. So if I click on the magnifying glass here, then it will allow me to take one of these arrows so I can see where my hoop is at the bottom. I definitely have room down here. That's good. Even if I wanted to bring it down a little bit more, I still have a little bit more room to work with there. I think I might leave it just like that. Even if you move it over to this side, you can get to see how much space you have left. It's not going to hit over there. That's great. Let's move it to the center. And let's move it to the end. Now you can really get a really good look at how close it'll hit to the stitch line. I have good clearance there. And up. Yeah, we're good. So let me go back to the center. I think I'm going to move it down just a little bit. I don't want it too far down, but it would be nice if I can get it down by the jacket pocket some more. So I'll bring it down some. And then I'll go back and look to see how close to the pocket. Now that's too close to me. I think that's a little close. No, it actually works. That works. I think I'll leave it there. So let me click OK. And I can see where there's a good amount of room here. Oh, I better not take that chance. Let me go just one. I'm gonna hit embroidery. And then I'm gonna choose my colors. The first one there is white, which is cool, but the reason I'm going to choose a different color is because I want to match the stitching on the jacket. So I'm going to choose color number 4 and hit this button, choose the colors, the magic wand. So number 1 is going to be 4. There's a little gold color on number 4 that actually matches the stitching here in the jacket. And then of course we're going to have pink, and pink is on number 10 today. So 1 is going to be 10. And this one, I think I might do it in white. You know, I have another pink on there that I like too. It's a darker kind of pink, and that's on color number 8. Okay, after I choose my colors, let me just make sure I got them right. 4, 10, and 8. Yep, I got them right. Okay, you hit OK, and then lock and start. I have added a small bit of water-soluble stabilizer as a topper onto this blue jean jacket for this logo. It is not necessary at all, in my opinion, for this type of material. However, I really like using this. My machine is not stitching this fast. I have sped up the video. It looks like we have about 24 minutes left out of the 29-minute stitch out. Not bad. 18,000 and so stitches. The smaller print font I'm using here for Pink Journey is a font that came with the Merrily Patches software when I purchased Merrily from Embrillance. I didn't change the needle or anything. Same needle, but it prints really nice. Stitches really nice. My video, of course, is on fast speed. I'm stitching at about 600 or 700 stitches per minute. The logo is just about complete, 1 minute, and that's it. I created a quick design to place on the sleeve of this jacket. I'm using Mighty Hoop's 9x3 sleeve hoop, and so there's a little less space to stitch with, but it goes down the sleeve. If you like, you can actually use 2 hoopings if you wanted to go further up the sleeve, if you can reach that far up. But this is what I wanted. The font I'm using here is called Exotic. It is by Embrillance as well. One of the great things about the Babylock Venture is that it has 170 built-in designs, and you can use perfect positioning if you want to add a design into something you're already working on. So I used the add button with the designs within the machine and added these floral designs, and then I just changed the orientation to match what I was already working on. It was kind of fun being able to maneuver the flowers around to where I wanted to position them. I duplicated the floral design to place it on both sides. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. Please do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.